Greetings. I am a creative professional with highly proficient skills in graphics design for digital media. From simple logo design to complex illustrations, I have the right skills and attitude to make your project successful. I will make sure your project will be on a budget, efficient, and absolutely satisfactory. Creativity is what I love. I put a personal touch into each project. I have done many projects on digital artworks including portraits, graphics, and photo editing, PDF design and edits, t-shirt design, brochures, flyers, logos, banners, posters, cover pages, business cards, invitation cards, page layouts, advertisements, and many other digital media creations. I have also done jewelry designing and children's book illustrations including cartoon, caricatures creations. I have over 20 years of creative experience including oil painting, stage drama, and an expert on digital software products such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Please contact me with confidence. I will take utmost effort to make your project complete with nothing but success regardless of the size. Tools: Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, InDesign. Thank you. Chanakya Tarangagalappatty.